How to turn on or turn off VoiceOver Braille, word grab, and text formatting on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on VoiceOver. And then we go down and tap on Braille. In here, scroll down and then you can tap on the word grab toggle button to turn it off, switch it on. Similarly to the text formatting, tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.